Good evening, students. Welcome to Students Accuracy. Welcome to the Mansar's class. Today we are going to do, as I promised earlier, that with some activities we'll be proving the angle sum properties, angle sum property of a triangle, as well as angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay, but for this I would request you, please see my previous videos on the basis of the properties of triangles, types of angles, properties of angles. These are very important. If you don't see these videos, please, I'm recommending you, please go back to those videos, see those videos, then come to this video. Then only you will be able to understand properly. Okay, so I would request you to see this video. It will be interesting. It will be based on activity, and you will be able to understand quickly. I hope so. So must see this video from the very beginning to the end, and please press the like button, bell icon, and please share this video with your friends so that they can also learn about it. And the most important thing, I would recommend you to subscribe. See at the right hand side of your video, in the bottom of the video, you will see in red color it is written SUBSCRIBE, subscribe. Please press that subscribe button. There's a purpose behind it. See, according to your class, according to your level, I am sending this video, but there are many more videos I am also uploading depending upon the topics. If you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will keep receiving the notification that I am uploading the different videos, so that if you get the notification, you can get into my channel and you can see the topic. If it is according to your choice, your level, you can see and you can understand, you can learn about it, isn't it? Otherwise, what will happen if you don't subscribe on the simple video which I will be sending in the group? That much only you will come to know. So therefore, I would recommend you to please subscribe the channel so that you can also learn about other topics if that suits your interest level. Okay, so therefore I am telling you, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Otherwise, it has no cost to be spent by you. No paisa has to be paid. Subscribing a YouTube channel is 100% free of cost, but it will benefit you. Now it's up to you whether you will press the bell icon or subscribe. It's up to you, for your benefit only I was telling. Okay, so now today will be our topic, and that is angle sum property of a triangle first. See, what do we mean by angle sum property of a triangle? First, let us deal with the triangle. So, triangle means a closed figure made up of three straight lines having three sides and three angles. So, this is angle 1. Suppose this is angle 1. This is angle 2 and this is angle 3, suppose. Now, what angle sum property of a triangle says? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Means, angle sum property of a triangle says that the sum of the three angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is always equal to 180 degree. Okay, students? So now this we are going to prove with the help of an activity. Okay? Now, if suppose this is 70 degree and this is 40 degree, so 70 plus 40, 110, and naturally this again has to be 70 degree. Okay, so Why? How do we know this? How much degree it will be? It should be by adding these three angles. 70 plus 40, 110 plus 70, 180. Total has to be 180 always. Dot 180, neither less than nor more than 180. Means it should not be 179 or 181. It has to be dot 180. Am I clear, students? So, angle sum property says the sum of the three angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Okay, students? So this we are going to do with the help of an activity. Okay, let me rub this. Now see, students, first, before I do this activity, let me draw a straight line. You must draw this with the help of a scale. I am drawing freehand, it may not be straight, but I am calling it as a straight line at this point. Point O, little bit. Okay? Now, as per my previous video, as I was recommending you to see the previous video, then only come to this. And properties of angles, what we saw, angles on the same side of the straight line are always 180 degree. And types of angles, another video, there we saw that this is a straight angle, it is always equal to 180 degree. So types of angle says that the straight line is 180 degree. And also the properties of angle says if two or more than two angles are drawn on the same side of the straight line, the sum is always equal to 180 degree. Clear, students? So let us take the example of this triangle. Okay, let me match this. See, with the straight line we have drawn, I am matching the triangle's base here. Okay? Now see, here, this is angle 1. This full thing is a triangle. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. And this is angle 3. Okay, students? Now, we are going to prove that this angle plus this angle plus this angle must be 180 degree. Can you all see this? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Okay? This is a triangle. Okay. Now, our motive is to show that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 must be equal to 180 degree. So, let us bring this angle 1 on top of this point. See? Okay? This is angle 1. Now, this angle is also brought, angle 1 plus angle 2. And now I am bringing this angle also. See, my dear students? Can you see? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Which angle 1 is brought from the angle of the triangle's angle. This one angle 1. Same angle 1. This was angle 2. This is brought here. And this was angle 3. This is also brought here. Now see, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. They lie on the straight line, same straight line, and the same side of the straight line. So therefore, their sum is always equal to 180 degree. Am I clear, students? Okay. I hope I could explain it. Angle sum property of a triangle. So you can also try it. It's an interesting, isn't it? It was an interesting thing. Next video I will be showing you angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay? So this activity we will do. If you liked it, please press the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe this channel. The purpose of already I have told you in the beginning of this video. And please share this video with your friends, let them also learn about it. Because such activities, I have tried my level best to explain you, make it easier as much as possible. Okay? So, let's wait for the next video, that is angles are property of a quadrilateral. Okay, so let us wait for the next one. See you. Good night.